Hi guys, and welcome to another video. Today we are in the process of moving storage units, and so I thought I'd take you along on how we do that and what we're doing, and just come along as we package stuff up and move it to the next storage facility. You will see my fiance in this video a lot for sure. He's doing a lot of the heavy stuff. Actually, right now he's bringing something down to the car. But I just thought it'd be kind of fun to do something different, and you guys follow along today. So I hope you guys can enjoy.
Both of those can go down in the cupboard.
I don't know how long you'll last up here, but we'll see. Alright, so we are on day 2 or 3. I kind of lost track and forgot to record, but we are almost done. We have the last bit to go. Really nice shirt, a little tight. It's going for sale. These pants, I don't really want, going to donate. I love this shirt and I'm gonna keep it, but I'm not gonna fold it. Or actually, I'm gonna fold it. Another shirt I'm gonna fold. Going through this quickly because my battery and storage is almost full. Another cute spring dress that I'm keeping. It's super cute. Another shirt I'm keeping. This is Beauty. Super cute from H&M, I believe. Yeah. Another thing I'm keeping. This is a keep. Sell. I'm selling this shirt. It's not flattering on me, so that's a sell. This is a keep. I wear it on a basis. This is a keep. Wear it on a, just got it. This is a keep. Literally just got it. This is a keep. I just got it. It has tags on it. I need to figure out what I'm going to wear it to. This is a keep because it's a basic t-shirt. This is a sell because I don't like the sleeves. This is my fiance's. It's a keep. This is a cute sweater. It's the softest thing you'll ever buy. It's on Poshmark already for sale. Bought for work because I thought I was going to work at a school. Ended up not doing that. Cute little purple thing. Keep. Undershirt. Keep. Got this from Costco. It's a keep. And then this purple shirt is donate. That's it.